Welcome back to Eat Miss. Today's co-host is Susan So Southern. Today's ingredient theme, pie. So go check out what Susan made after. Episode 17, Chocolate Pie. Hello and welcome back to Eat Miss. And today, we're making pie. So start by heating up 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup heavy cream and buttermilk, 3½ tablespoons of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. In a pot on medium-low heat, bring to a boil while whisking frequently till the sugar and cornstarch dissolve and gets all thick with 2 C's. And continue to cook for another minute or 2. Beat 4 egg yolks and temper the eggs with some of that thickness. Whisk together and then add it to the pot. Mix it and heat it all up for 2 minutes until it all gets very, very thick. In a separate bowl, get 4 ounces of semisweet chocolate, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 3/4 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add the hot mixture in, whisk until everything is smooth and the butter is melted. Cover it with plastic and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes until cooled. Now it's whipped cream time. Combine 1 3/4 cup heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, beat until stiff peaks. Or, if you're a crazy person like me, pour it, charge it, shake it, and just like that, you have whipped cream. I emptied it into a bowl because we need to seal about 1/3 of it. Fold it into the chocolate mixture once it has cooled down enough. And then back into the fridge for 4 hours minimum. Now it's crust time. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine 1/4 cup sugar, 2 cups of crushed graham crackers, 1½ cups crushed Oreos, or chocolate cookies if you want to be that person, without the filling. Mix in a melted stick of butter. And once combined, pour into your pie dish that I was not able to find, and I really could have swore I had one. So why not just use this totally awkward pan instead? After a few different methods, what worked for me was forming it with my hand, and what didn't work was not removing any of it at all. But it was still super tasty, so I'm not complaining. Bake the super crumbly crust for 15 minutes. Let it cool completely before adding in the chocolate filling, and that's it. It's not a photogenic pie. That, hilariously enough, is one of the best chocolate pies I've ever had. The crust was a little thick, and I could have taken some out, but when it was done exploding everywhere, combined with the chocolate and the whipped cream, it was damn delicious. I just gotta find my damn pie pan. So that's today's episode. Make sure you go check out today's fabulous co-host, Susan. I will link everything in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.